If you've been seeing ads for DriftFloat and wondering whether it's actually legit or just another online scam, this review is for you. I spent some time looking through the website, checking the features, reading user feedback, and comparing it with similar platforms. Here's the honest breakdown. First, DriftFloat claims to offer an easy way to earn money or grow your funds online. The website looks modern, and the promises sound attractive. That's usually the first thing that catches people's attention. But here's where you need to slow down. When I checked the platform, I noticed that some important information was either missing or not clearly explained. Things like who owns the company, where it is registered, and how the earnings are generated were not easy to verify. That doesn't automatically mean it's a scam, but it is a red flag. A legitimate financial or investment platform normally provides transparent company details, legal information, and clear explanations of the risks involved. Another thing I noticed is the marketing. DriftFloat seems to focus heavily on high returns and quick results. Anytime a platform emphasizes easy money more than the actual business model, I become very cautious. I also looked for independent reviews. Some users say they were able to withdraw money, while others report delays or communication problems. Mixed reviews are common with newer platforms, so I wouldn't rely only on testimonials. So, is DriftFloat legit? At the moment, I would say it falls into the use extreme caution category. I could not find enough verified information to confidently call it a fully legitimate platform, and I also did not find enough evidence to declare it a confirmed scam. My recommendation is simple. Do not invest money you cannot afford to lose. Start with a very small amount if you decide to test it. Verify whether withdrawals work before depositing anything larger. And never trust guaranteed profit claims. For me personally, DriftFloat is not a platform I would put serious money into until there is much more transparency and a stronger track record.